Hey guys, this is Prithvi here from FPC, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a new course from course management. Alright, so first of all, you click on the course management menu and select the program of your choice. In my case, it is security programs. Now you go ahead and click on the plus icon on the top right hand side of the screen. Click on here and you will go to the screen where you will need to enter all your course details. Enter your teacher's name, enter your dates, enter your time, enter your days, enter your number of days per week, enter your course description and click on next. Once you click on next, you will go to this calendar screen where you will need to create your first class. Create your first class by entering all the class information, associating that class with a test at least, and then click on next again. Now here you need to upload your course materials, upload your necessary course materials and click on finish. Now when you click on finish, your course will be created but the status will be closed. So now in order to make that course active, you need to change the status from closed to open. So click on that closed and click on open from the drop down. Now when it changes to open, you have an active course which people can enroll in. So this was a video about how to add a course through course management. Thanks for watching.